This week on Scotty's Toolbox, I'm going to talk about some toolbox organising solutions that came to my attention during my time in the US. Now, when I was in Langston's custom garage, Darin's place, his toolboxes were organised so well, and I basically looked at them and went, that is how I want to organise my toolboxes. I mean, all the sockets, all the spanners were all laid out so well. You have multiples of each, and yeah. So when I came home, I started looking around at solutions and went down to some of the big auto parts suppliers and big tool suppliers and looking at what they had, and they're kind of expensive. And then my wife, who's a massive Temu addict, she was saying, do you need anything from Temu? And I said, well, do they have these? And it turns out they do. 3-piece socket tray sets, all right? Now, Darin was using these in his garage, in his toolbox, and like I said, I went and had a look at, say, I'll use Sydney Tools for an example, and each one of these sets, each one of these trays, individual trays from Sydney Tools, is like $22. Whereas from Temu, all 3 trays, $13. $13 to $14. I mean, price, you know what Temu's like. Prices can scale up and down depending on availability and whatever. But let's say $15 or under $15 for 3 trays, where if you're paying from a retail store, you'd be paying, well, $66. It's a fair saving. And they organise your sockets beautifully. I mean, these are all injection moulded, so they're not too bad. I mean, it's not something you can really 3D print, mainly because the printer head's going to have trouble doing all this unless it does each bit at a time, and that way it will take 5 weeks to print. So, yeah, injection moulded. Now, these are the standard or SAE ones. They're in red. And all the sizes are there from 1 1/4 inch down to 3/8 of an inch. That's on the 1/2 inch drive. And then you got 3/8 drive and then 1/4 inch drive. Isn't it funny how with metric sets, all the sockets are still in imperial measurements when it comes to the drives. Anyway, we'll never lose imperial, will we? Because 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8 drive, it's going to be around forever. So here's some I prepared earlier. So there's a 3/8 drive set that goes up to 1 inch, and at the moment I've only got them down to 1/2 inch on my 3/8 drive. I need to fill out this end of the tray. More excuse to buy new tools, isn't it? But yeah, that's all gear wrench stuff there. So I've bought a couple sets and, yeah, used them to fill out my little trays. And then, of course, if you're looking at metric is in black. So, again, I'm missing some of the ones up this end of the scale, but that's all right. The 1/4 inch drives take care of that. And I'll tell you what, they do an amazing job of organising your socket drawer. I'll show you a picture of that in a sec. But yeah, I mean, like I said, each set of 3 was $13. I got my wife to order 4 sets because I've got a fair few sockets. You'll see that in a sec. But yeah, I guess the only problem is this one snapped off there. That was pre-snapped off. In the box, it is what it is, but, you know, it's also a 20mm. I don't know that I'm going to need a 20mm in a 3/8 drive. I guess never say never, but yeah. So if you're looking for a solution to organise your sockets in your toolbox, take a look at Temu. It's not a bad, you know, I mean, some of their stuff is pretty ordinary, but I don't think this is that. You know, this looks like the same Yeah, it looks exactly the same as the stuff that was in the Sydney Tools stuff. So, you know, probably came from the same warehouse, but sold direct to you for a lot less dollars. So, yeah, nothing too crazy this week, but I got to say, very satisfying to lay them all out in your toolbox and see all your sockets there and see what you're missing. That's the bad part, I guess. You can immediately see what sockets you're missing and you go, I need to buy more tools. But that's what we love, isn't it? We love buying more tools. All right. So that's Scotty's toolbox this week. Only a short one, but like I said, if you want to tidy up your toolbox, start with Temu.